welcome back to the channel everyone. Had a little problem on my E46 the other day. I wanted to get something in the boot with the back seats down, but one half wouldn't fold down. Bit of a problem. Right then, so yeah, you can see this is sort of pulled to a point where it should be releasing, but it's not. So if you go on the other side, this is how it's meant to work. Pulls the lever. So hopefully I'm going to try and fix this with just the included BMW toolkit. So here it is. Pair of pliers, screwdriver that you can pull it out and becomes a flathead, a couple of spanners and a towing eye. Let's crack on, see if we can work out how it's meant to work, shall we? This will be essentially this bit here. Comes in, presses it shut. This little bit here pings out from above, and if I'm pushing that down now, the lever, so there we go, that releases, but not particularly quickly on this one. But on the other side, I expect that's not happening. So if we climb in the boot, favourite pastime here. Oh dear, there we go, right. Tell you what, there's not a huge amount of legroom for this. So this isn't particularly easy to see. Oh, sorry microphone. It's easy if you go from the top, get it in that gap. Then you can pull it upwards, push it open. So that's just how to release it in a pinch. Do that with the screwdriver provided by BMW. However, we want it to not happen again, don't we? Right, it's the same again. Come in with the latch. So it does shut. And then, see that? So that is the latch shut on there. There's not quite fully latching in. But that's the maximum travel we're getting there. So obviously that's never going to release, is it? So yeah, if I just release that again, so that's the bit there you want to be releasing, and then that bit should all fold down nicely. So next, got to work out how to get this plastic off. Had a little look online, and I think there's like a clip at the bottom here, down here. See, there's a clip, one down there, and two at the top. Everyone online says push towards the middle, and then you should be able to sort of, and there we go, towards the middle, and then just shimmy the top off. There we go. So yeah, now we've got these two top clips off, and looking down here, I can see the third one down there. You might not be able to. There we go. Oh, okay. Right, so that bottom clip actually needs to be pulled up to release it, but never mind, didn't snap it. Managed to get it all out of place. Happy. Hello. Nice to see those around here. So as that now appears to work, just going to give it a spray with some white lithium grease just inside, down onto the spring, just sort of on whatever this bit pivots from, just to make sure that's pivoting nicely. Obviously it's quite highly tensioned because it needs to spring back, but if we can get that nicely moving back and forth, yeah, that'd be ideal. It's going to go everywhere. Well, no, especially if I don't spray the nozzle in the right direction. Put it down in there, down in there. Close this. Now we can get down to that spring nicely. Be like that. There you go. That's all working a treat. happy with that. Right, yeah, so I'm just going to put it back together now that it's been nicely lubed up and I freed it off, and we'll just see how it goes really. If I have to, I'll take the whole thing out, but hopefully I won't have to get that far, will I? So yeah, cheers for watching today guys. I know it's a bit of a short one, only useful if you're trying to do this and your seats are stuck. Never mind.